My name is Huan. This is the outline of my research ideas. My topic is Study on Reform of English Curriculum System in Art, Fine Arts, Higher Vocational Colleges. There are 4 parts of my report: background information of the research, research objective and questions, what I have done currently, and the expected findings. So the first is the background information. In order to break through the bottleneck of English curriculum model in art vocational colleges, it is necessary to focus on building a curriculum system featuring their own art majors and carry out reforms based on majors, development plans, and occupational capabilities. Therefore, the study conducted in-depth investigation, analysis, and research on the current situation of the components of the English curriculum system of Shanghai Art and Design Academy and the current development status of the school students. Even if the current situation is clearly recognized, the deficiencies in the curriculum system are found and it can be positioned reasonably. The goal of the research is to highlight the orientation and characteristics principles of majors and personnel training, and to realize the reform of the curriculum system and the development of majors, hoping to provide certain support and professional guarantees for the future development of the college. And for the research objectives, there are 6: higher vocational education in China, study on art, fine art, higher vocational colleges, English teaching in art, higher vocational colleges, reform of English curriculum system in art, higher vocational colleges. The brief introduction and summary of SENDA, and the final research expectations. And for the questions, all the brief outline is the below, and I got five parts and including many details. These are all the details and questions of the research. And for the next part is what I have done currently. First is the data collection questionnaire. Through the use of the questionnaires, the basic data needed in the research are obtained, including satisfaction with existing English teaching models, requirements for personalized training models, and professional English teaching methods required for the professional directions, etc. This will provide basic data for the subsequent data analysis. In the previous investigation and research, I formulated a questionnaire on the satisfaction and demand of the existing English courses for the art vocational college students and distributed it to students of different majors and degrees. And for the data analysis part, I use SPSSAU. Through the use of this questionnaire research and analysis, the model structure framework is obtained, and the framework is used to express the overall research thinking situation. At the same time, the collected data is used to understand the basic cognition, attitude, opinion, or behavior of the group, and frequency and crossover analysis methods will also be used for data analysis. In order to validate the questionnaire, I have chosen 2028 samples to pilot the instruments according to the feedback, and then analyze the data descriptively and inferentially based on the research objectives and questions. And for the expected findings, I hope first is to compare with the teaching system of art English courses in other countries, to conduct analysis and comparative study to find the differences of English curriculum systems of Chinese art higher education institutions. And number 2 is to establish a set of English curriculum systems suitable for art higher vocational education colleges. Number 3 is compile professional vocabulary English-Chinese dictionary for professional direction, for example, the jewelry, jade carving, sculpture, etc. And the last one is to develop a personalized training model For example, the general English teaching model, artist training model, or the science training model. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you.